welcome back, man. I miss y'all. I know y'all miss me. It's been like 3 weeks, man. We've been on the grind. Right now, we in Chicago though. We had this little meet, you know. It's February, it's cold as hell. Everybody out, everything. It's been snowing, as you can see, snow on the ground. But today, it's fucking like 30 degrees. So, woo, we out here. If y'all new to the channel, my name is Tamaine. We are slowing the videos right now, but hey, we keeping up, we keeping up. We got a couple of nice cars out here tonight. Look at this Daytona, man. This thing is fresh, it is cammed. A lot of people scattered. It got cars all around though. It's so cold right now, man. I don't even know. Hey, I'm getting the Mustang though. In less than a month. I keep telling y'all it's been like a month and a half that I'm gonna get it. But no, for sure, in a month. I'm about to tell y'all soon, probably in the next video. I know videos are sold now, but it's gonna be the next one because it's gonna be like every week, every 2 weeks that I'm gonna be posting. So, for sure. It just cleared out. Everybody was here, but we had a dumbass that had a cop siren, so he cleared everybody out, and he wasn't even a cop. Fucking people in Chicago. This thing sounds amazing, bro. This thing sounds amazing. Woo, got that Hemi. That orange killing it, man. With that front splitter. Man, we got my buddy D-Stang out here. We up in this S197 2013. Wait, what is this? Torch red? Race red S197. Oh, what that dude just took off, bro. I don't know if y'all saw that, but what the hell just happened right there? My head just popped back. Get back in this seat, bro. Under this tunnel, bro. This is the tunnel right here. That Jeep SRT was on our ass for a minute in the low end until we got him at the high end. I was not expecting that at all. All right, let's get it. Bro, that Jeep, that shit took off, bro. And this car, we pushing 400 right now. Around 400. Now imagine that damn Jeep, bro. Imagine in an all-wheel drive Jeep. The torque is real heavy. The Jeeps are real.
They get off the line with that perfect control.
Yeah.
See me, I'm spinning.
Yeah, he's spinning. We spinning a lot though. Damn. And look, there's the cops at the wrong time, bro. Going to the spot that we were going to. Damn. The cops just popped the other spot, but got a whole bunch of Mopars. We got some Jeeps, looking a little nice. Got a little setup going over here, and this is what we was riding in. And this is a Jeep that was damn near there and beat us off the start though. All-wheel drive. It's complicated. It's cold outside. That's what I like to do, shoot. Let's get it. I'm about to get some little action over here. Woo! It's quite a crowd out here tonight, bro. It's quite a crowd out here tonight. I'm telling y'all, man, everything is getting up and running. It's going smooth, man. I've been working for 17 days straight, man. 17 days straight. If this guy asked me for $1 one more fucking time, I swear. This guy asked me for $1 like 3 times. Now we gotta get the next one. We're gonna get the next Mopar. Well, let's get it. Okay. Look at this. Show that money off, baby. Show that money. Take it home. Sideways right there, he almost in the crowd just a little bit. Fumes, they're fresh. They're back in my lungs, man. The fumes are fresh and back.
For real? Take that shit home.
Hey, bring your shit. Let's get it.
All right, I got
bring your shit out.
You want to do it?
Hey, I dare you to spin it right here, bro.
Make a commercial out of that motherfucker, bro.
What the hell going on right here? Oh, we got a little race.
Let us put some money on it first. Hold on. Go.
Hey, somebody gonna butt.
If that ain't the slowest run, damn.
Yeah, I low-key thought the guy in the yellow was gonna win, but the guy in the gray didn't even want that. Hey, you got scared like a motherfucker. I seen that shit.
I don't like all that.
I thought it was about the 2-stepping too. But then you heard that shit like yeah. I'm more. And the cops have shown up, and we're about to get up on out of here. I don't know what other spot we're gonna go to next, but we were supposed to shut down the intersection, and supposed to shut down the intersection, and then get like it spinning, you know, like some supercar suspect type content on Lakeshore Drive in Chicago. Unfortunately, it didn't happen though because some people didn't come out. But I don't know what's about to happen now, but. Got the cops here, everybody just leaves, gonna head to the next spot, man. It's cold as hell, it's like 20 degrees, and all of our dumbasses are out here standing watching burnouts and other dumb shit. We got a problem.
Yeah. It's getting written up. I'm sick. I don't want to be out here writing you guys, but you're out here doing this, and I have to be out here writing you guys. My boss tells me, my other boss, that tells me, I wouldn't want to be out here.
There's still people out here doing it. I guess our buddy in the Daytona just got a ticket. I don't know what for. But
yeah, I literally got it on the way. Can't do anything, you know.
January 6th, 2020.
Yeah, and then they forgot to send it out. They just sent it out the other day. I need a sticker too, so I got a sticker.
you gotta get these other boys out of here. They don't got no front plates, so they gotta just get on out of here while they can. I like to see CTS though. Wrap half in pink, half white. Vanilla and strawberry. 2 favorite ice creams.
Ticket for Go City sticker. I got, you know, the paperwork. I got a city sticker.
I'm recording too, by the way.
I just do YouTube. That's fine.
So I wrote
That's fine.
ticket.
You were allowed to record.
2 weeks, and I don't have proof that they
You're recording, we're recording. It's all good.
Out where it is.
Yeah.
So this is what you're gonna do.
Okay.
You're gonna call them again, see if you can get some sort of email or receipt.
Okay.
She'll also send this in on the back. It shows you how to contest it.
Okay.
You can literally stick all your evidence in the. You can say contest by mail.
Okay.
And then you can stick all your evidence there. So if you have if you had recorded it.
Yeah.
And if you followed up and it's on the state and they send you some sort of email saying that, they might take pity and throw it out, okay?
Okay.
I've contested stuff before as like just parking on the streets of
Yeah.
Chicago. And yeah, they've thrown things out.
Okay.
When I showed them evidence. Like they, you know.
No problem. Yeah,
Right?
absolutely. So just get some, put it in there, not even put money or anything, just.
So like, it's gonna be all good.
You can contest by mail.
Okay.
on the
Batteries
back,
running
and
low
then
up and it's
they'll
cold,
give you
man. I hate these
instructions
GoPro
right
batteries.
here.
Okay.
And then you just throw
appreciate
any of
it.
you guys I see hanging out with drag racers or drag racing, I am writing tickets, okay? And yes, you can record this and post this on the internet. I'm writing tickets to anyone that's caught drag racing over here.
Oh, y'all.
Hey. You guys kill people.
You gotta watch out, man. Watch out. Hey, I honestly do respect these Chicago cops, man. They do got a hard time out here with the time in Chicago and with us, but it is what it is, man. It's been like this for years. So come out once in a while, you know. So what'd you get a ticket for?
Easily as fuck. Just exactly.
What'd you get a ticket for?
No front plate.
No front plate.
So they wrote that when they were back there, or when they just pulled up?
I mean, it is on the way.
They didn't even get in the front of his car. They were in the back of it. I don't know how they wrote it.
Come on, you should. Yeah, I don't know how they saw that shit. Like, I guess because when they were pulling up slowly in the middle over there, that's how they saw it.
No, probably.
But they say you can easily probably get rid of it, right?
Yeah,
for
that
sure.
should be alright.
Hey, that's
It's nothing too really much worry about. So tickets like that,
Either way, they would have
get out.
sent it to you in
But-
the mail.
Yo, yeah.
Chicago cops, I do feel what you're saying though. It is kind of stressful because it's like they got to deal with us, then they got to deal with shootings and all this other stuff. So you know, just be cool about it, whatever. But hey, better listen to her. All right, after that one, we about to head up on out of here. I'm about to hop on with my buddy Zach over here in his R32, his better upgraded Volkswagen of mine. It's looking pretty clean. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, stay in tune, man, because the videos are coming. It's in February. We're in February right now. March is literally less than a month away, and I'm getting my Mustang in 2 to 3 weeks. I have to get it in 2 to 3 weeks. I got some plans already. I already know which one I'm gonna get, and maybe you guys probably already seen it already. If you guys know what Mustang I'm gonna get, or if you try to think of what Mustang I'm gonna get, drop it down below in the comments. You guys probably definitely seen it already. I'm not gonna tell you where you've seen it, but if you can guess, then I know you've seen the car already, but you just gotta tell me where you've seen it and which one I'm gonna get, and maybe what color and whatnot. But other than that, guys, we about to get up on out of here. It is cold as hell. We with my buddy Zach. I didn't even introduce my buddy Zach. Why I got in this car? But we about to head home now. It's like 20 something degrees. Cops ruined it a little bit. I don't know what he's doing over there. He just low-key got a ticket. He just like revved it up. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, stay tuned. Hit a like on the video. Subscribe to the freaking channel, man, because we about to turn up, man. We about to turn up. I'm telling you, back in 3 weeks, a little something for tonight, but we gone.